We're going to talk about collaborating within the workspace and inbox notifications. Let's start with collaborating. There are 3 great ways to collaborate from within a task. The assignee is the person responsible for completing the task. If you look over here, you will see the assignee listed. You'll see their name and their profile image. If you need to unassign someone, just click on this X right here and they'll be removed. If you need to add someone else, click this plus icon to choose another user, although we really recommend limiting the assignee to just one person to ensure accountability. That really helps to ensure your team feels a sense of ownership, so this task gets completed. When someone is assigned, they receive a notification letting them know. The description field is a second great way to collaborate in a task. The description field is where you can add details about your task. This works as a live editor, so all your changes are saved instantly, and you can work simultaneously with multiple people. If someone else is working in the same task as me, I'll see their cursor appear with their name. This is great for real-time meeting notes, as well as when you're brainstorming ideas as a team. The third way to collaborate in tasks is by commenting. Comments appear down here at the bottom of the task. You can leave general comments about how things are going, questions, decisions, or status updates. A great way to make sure your comments are seen is by using the @mention feature. I'll give you an example. Let's say I need Martha to add some information about what we need to test. I'll go ahead and highlight this text and click the quote icon. You can see the text was copied into the comments field. Now, I'll @mention Martha by typing the symbol followed by her name and ask for her help. I want to leave a comment for Donald as well, so I'll @mention him to see if he needs help. To post the comment, I'm just going to push this little blue icon right here or press Shift plus Enter on my keyboard. @mentioning ensures your comment is directed properly, and they also get a notification in their inbox. Depending on the user's notification setting, they may also get an email notification. You can find your inbox over here. This number right here tells you how many unread inbox notifications you have. Within the inbox, you will see different cards. A card appears anytime you're @mentioned on a task or a task is assigned to you. Down here, we can see that Donald @mentioned me, and he assigned the task to me. So those two are going to be grouped on one card to help keep things tidy. When you click on the notification, you'll see the task open on the right-hand side, giving you all the information you need or the ability to take action if necessary. The most recent notifications appear at the top. Looks like I have 2 unread notifications. Those appear folded and blue so that they're easy to distinguish from the notifications I've already read, such as this one. If you don't want to see something in the incoming folder anymore, just hover over it and click Archive, and it will be moved to the Archive section. I can always move it back at any time by clicking Move to Incoming. Those are some great ways to collaborate within the workspace and how to keep an eye on things through Wrike's inbox.